Salam and welcome back to the land of visual arts. My name is Visha and it's time to steal another picture from Noor Yusuf. So today I'm gonna try and convert this into this. Let's roll the intro. Okay, let's bring the image into Photoshop and let's enlarge it. We need to get rid of these highlights because this is indicating that the light is coming from above. Okay, let's do the usual. Let's go down here and go to exposure, and we're gonna make it very dark. Okay, this sword sort of going into infinity from at this point is gonna probably ruin our glow effect. So let's go ahead and end the sword sort of right about here. So I'm gonna use the glow on stamp tool to end the sword here. Now let's take the pen tool and quickly make a selection around this sword. Okay, I made it into shape and I'm gonna give it maybe a yellow color and no stroke. Okay, now it's time to cut out this hand and the wrapping around the sword. I'm gonna give it a mask and I'm gonna use the brush tool to erase this part. Now let's make a new solid layer and let's give it maybe like orangish color, something like that, and invert the mask. Now I'm gonna paint the edges of the sword with this color to give it maybe a natural feel to the glow effect. Let's make another solid color layer and let's give it maybe like a yellowish color and let's go ahead and paint this layer with the glow effect, 25% opacity, and okay, now it's time for some highlights. Let's copy this layer and I'm gonna delete everything on the mask of this layer. So rename the layer quickly, highlights. Now at this point you have to decide where the highlights would fall on depending on the light source. So I think this part would be highlighted. Let's go ahead and try and do something and see if that works. Okay, I think that's enough highlights and glow effect. Let's go to file and export this image and let's bring it back into Photoshop and do some camera raw filter. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did and subscribe if you are new to the channel. I make weird stuff like this in Photoshop all the time. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, salam.
The more I get to know, the more I learn to live. Wish that I can be somebody that can live just like you did. And now that I know, my life's been such a bliss, I promise that